Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about probably one of the most iconic vehicles that people remember out of the 50s, a 1957 Chevy Bel Air Convertible. Tell you more about it in a second. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today, we are looking at one of the most iconic cars out of the 1950s, a 57 Chevy Bel Air Convertible. Here we have an absolutely beautifully restored car done to the nth degree with the correct original color for the car. The chrome has been all redone and is of a high quality show grade. We have the original 283 V8 in it. It even has power steering, which was a nice option to have in 1957. It does have the correct interior as well, which is kind of the two-tone yellow with the silver inserts. This is an automatic power glide car, so it's one that you can actually just get in, turn the key, and drive anywhere you'd like to go. It does have the good tires on it, the wide white walls, and the spinner hubcaps. So it's one of those cars that, you know, if you wanted to go to the local drive-in, wanted to go down to go for a road cruise or go to the local car show, there'll be a lot of people looking at this car no matter wherever you go. We have over almost 100 cars here at Ellingson's that are currently on our website available for sale. Everything from this beautiful classic 57 Chevy to a muscle cars to absolutely bone stock older vehicles as well, or the Resto-Mod trucks, lots of Resto-Mod pickups. So anyway, otherwise, I mean, you got the 57 Chevy convertible, power top, of course, all of them were, so that's really a nice thing to have as well. If you want more information on this car and any of the other almost 100 cars and trucks we have for sale, visit us at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. We are here in-house in Rogers, Minnesota from Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. You can come and visit us in person. It's a nice indoor warm showroom or air conditioned in the summer, whatever the case may be. But we absolutely have all these beautiful cars for you to look at. You can also watch many of our videos on YouTube, Instagram, all that kind of stuff as well on our website. So if you're looking for a classic Chevy, we have a 57 Chevy convertible right here, ready to go, turnkey, and take her home today. Thanks.